Hi, this is Peggy St. Peters with Coldwell Banker Lakeside Realtors. I would like to show you 1104 Yorkville Belle Ct. Come on in with me. I want to show you 5 of my favorite things. So we just came through number 1, these beautiful custom iron front doors. They're so really lovely, and what I love about them isn't just the doors, but the luxury finishes that you'll find here at this Bob Shaw home. Here's another couple. The pot filler over the gas cooktop, and here's the pantry automatic light, and it just keeps going. Those are the kind of things that you're gonna find. It's a very beautiful home, very well built. Okay, number 2, next thing that I love the true open concept. That's my kitchen, and if I pan, you see family room, beautiful fireplace, and here's my dining room. So not the dining room, that's the nook. There's a real separate dining room. Anyway, true open concept. The spaces are defined and your family will love it. So I'm going to show you number 3. Number 3 is this fantastic outdoor area. Look at, oh, the breeze is blowing me. I feel good. All right, lovely outdoor space, nice yard. If you look over this way, there's the golf course. Really nice space, beautiful landscaping. You have privacy, you've got golf course. It's a great spot. Number 4, I love that it has 2 staircases. Here is my back staircase, and the most good thing about the back staircase is if you have people and you want to bring them up to watch a movie or go to your bonus room space, they don't have to walk past every bedroom to get there. So the front staircase is the fancy staircase, and that one really passes by bedrooms. This one you can go up to the rec room and they don't have to see your whole house. So number 5, here we are. It is this gorgeous master bedroom. How beautiful is that? Large, this is a king size bed, and there's still plenty of room. It opens to the patio that we just saw, has a fantastic big bathroom, double vanities, the big huge shower with the glass enclosure, and the fully finished out custom closet. Okay, there you go. That's 5 things. There's more than 5 things to love, but those are 5 good ones. I'd love to show you this house. Give me a call, text, email. Just let me know. I'd be happy to set it up and show it to you. Thanks so much. Peggy St. Peters, Coldwell Banker Lakeside. This is 1104 Yorkville Belle Ct.